Hi, in this video we will see how to create the word map. So first thing I will say that is this is not the world map, which is the geographical map. So instead of map, it will show the word. So for example, let's say we have state. So if we want to show the sales of state, so instead of showing the bar chart or line chart, we could use word map. So let's get started. So for creating this word map, we need to take the state. So I'll just take this state dimension and drop it onto the text. So we can see here uh, the the old state now has been showing on Tableau. So what I'll just do, if you want to, so let's say I'll take the sales field and I'll just drop it onto the size. So now we can see here the size of each, we can say each state has been divided according to the sales. So we can see California has the largest size, which means California has the largest number of sales. So here we can see it is not actually the word map that we wanted. So for creating the word map, we just have to click on this drop down and then select text. So after selecting text, so now we can see here our word map is ready. So now we can see here the size of word has been divided according to the sales. So we can see the California has the largest number of sales. So it is the size of California is large. And here we can see after that New York, Texas, and so on. So if you want to show the color according to the sales, so so you just have to take the sales and drop it onto the color. So I'll just hide this pane. So now we can see here the color, but we can see this color isn't looking so appropriate. We can see here this is so light. We can just directly click on color. After clicking here, click on edit color, and here we can see one drop down. Just after clicking on drop down, we can see the number of colors has been showing. So we can just directly select one. So select anyone and click on apply and OK. So now we can see the color of each of the state has been changed according to the sales. So let's just say you want to change the font of this size, or you can say also the size of this uh, text. You just have to click on this text. Now click on these three dots, and after that you just have to just select whole text. You can just copy whole text. Now here you can increase the size. I'll take 12. Here you can change the font, and here you can select bold to make it bold, and after that click on apply. So we can see here the size has been decreased. For making this more appropriate, we can directly increase the size. So actually what we just did, we actually made the font size is 22. So Tableau taking the size 22 for all of the text. So for that we can just directly undo the situation that we have just done. Now I just press the Ctrl plus Z to undo the all the tasks that I have done. So I'll do the same thing again. So this time I won't select the text. I won't select the size of the text. I just select the font. So I'll just make it bold, and uh, that's it. I just after that click on apply. So now we can see here now the it also looks darker before that, only because of we click on bold, and also the font of the text has been changed. So this is how we can create the word map in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.